What's up, everybody out there? We in Tractor Supply on Mother's Day with Wifey and King, getting rabbit food, getting dog food.
I'm gonna get the big one. They're gonna be on it for about 18 weeks anyway. Yeah,
What you whining about, King?
wanted to get some. You bring your recording?
Yeah.
What you say you want to go in?
Go straight all the way to the, where you see the canoes at over there behind the gas tanks.
This is the electrolytes, keep them hydrated. I need to get this right here. I still got some probiotics already.
Come on, King.
Are these dried out maggots? Yeah. They didn't even fight inside that little cage.
Yeah, the yard. Go to look up to the yard. Go straight. Just go straight. Go straight. Okay, if you can fit through there.
You know, I'm a little dyslexic, babe.
That's what I'm about to say. What down there checking something?
Uh-huh.
Oh, they got the truck lights, all that in here. He gonna run himself into. I found it out because I want to get one for the. Cause this is what I was thinking. Instead of get. See, like, come on, Ken. See, like this the one I would want for the house. The dog, like the dog cage right there. You take this out, hook it up to the dog cage so he can run in the house. But this one right here, I can do my breeding. And I'm saying for your chickens, just put something like a net belong around the whole bottom of the fence in case when they have babies, they can't get out. Yeah. And then this big enough right here. They will build a coop inside here. And look, ain't nothing but $419. And then I'll give me one of these, like I said, for the property like we want to put it on the property and it won't be hard to find something to build. Like if I say build like a little deck, something that's just high enough where it won't get flooded, then put this on top. Put something on the floor. Even if you want to take some dirt and put the dirt onto the plastic so they can feel like they're on grass. I don't know, I think that comes separate. Everything comes separate. Right now you buying a cage for this, then you, whatever that costs, right? I don't know. What is that? Right there. Available in
additional kennel clamps available in the highway.
I'm pretty sure everything's separate, but it still ain't bad. Something nice for the house. How much is that?
200.
Ain't bad.
Let's go to the soft things.
Oh yeah, I want to go check out the butcher calm down here. Kane, come on. Come on. Oh, and they got the go-kart. Whole list.
Oh yeah, yeah. That one is big enough to get in. That other one that you had, I could not get in that sucker.
Nah, this would be for the kids. I just want to make sure if I can drive it too. Uh-oh. I don't think so.
Yeah.
Oh, shoot, my bad. Oh, no. The kids can ride it and I still be able to ride it.
Alexa's wrong, baby.
I'm talking about for my son.
Oh.
If I can get in this, Alexa can get in this, but I'm talking about for my son. But I'll get something like this for us. We can ride all around. We should be able to ride this without... This ain't bad. How fast it go?
I'm gonna take something off this car.
This 800. Oh yeah, and it ain't that small. This,
I'm gonna compare the prices from I know how much the one that always costs.
I want this. I don't know, I think I'll get everybody one of these. And we all cruise, because I think we can ride this without getting in trouble. We all pull up on the beach, to the beach with these, once a month, get everybody one. All right, guys, I'll catch y'all later. Let me get off this camera. Bye.